Hi, I'm Santhosh KN. In this class, I shall deal with the use of conjunction as soon as. As soon as. Let me give you a brief introduction. As soon as is a conjunction. We can use as soon as to say something happens immediately after something has happened. As soon as means immediately after something has happened. Let's discuss the structure of as soon as. As soon as plus earlier action plus comma plus later action plus full stop. Some important points are to be taken care of. First one, write as soon as at the beginning of the sentence. Number two, write the sentence that contains the earlier action. Number three, avoid at once, soon, suddenly, quickly, immediately in the answer because these words have almost same meaning. A comma is needed before the second clause. Then write the sentence that contains the later action. Put a full stop at the end. Let's consider a few examples. Example number 1. He received the telegram. He started immediately. He received the telegram is the first sentence. It gives us an earlier action. He started immediately is the second sentence. It gives us the later action. Just circle the word immediately. We should not repeat it in the answer because this word has almost same meaning. When we join them, we get as soon as he received the telegram, place a comma, he started, full stop. We dropped the word immediately because it has the same meaning. Example number 2, she entered the court. That is the first sentence. At once he took off his hat. That is the second sentence. She entered the court gives us an earlier action. At once he took off his hat is the later action. I circle the word at once because it has the same meaning. When we join them, we get as soon as. She entered. She entered the court. Place a comma. Then the second sentence. He took off his hat. Here we dropped the word at once because it has the same meaning. Example number 3, the building got fire. Soon they rushed out. Here we have two sentences. The first one is this, the building got fire. It gives us an earlier action. Soon they rushed out, that is second sentence. It also gives us the later action. Okay, let's encircle the word soon. We should not repeat it in the answer because it has the same meaning. When we join these two sentences together with as soon as, we get as as soon as the building got fire. The first sentence ends there, comma, we placed a comma, then no need to repeat soon in the answer. We are going to write the second sentence. They rushed out. Example number 4. I went to bed. First sentence. Soon I fell asleep. Here we have two sentences. The first sentence, I went to bed. Second sentence, soon I fell asleep. First, let's encircle the word soon. We do not require it in the answer as it contains the same meaning. When we join them with as soon as, we get as soon as I went to bed. Place a comma, then I fell asleep. Example number 5. He heard the news. Immediately he rang me up. Here we have two sentences. We are going to join them using as soon as. Okay. First of all, let me encircle the word immediately. Then we are going to join them. Okay. Let me write as soon as first. As soon as he heard the news, comma, no need of immediately in the answer. He rang me up. Example number 6. The train arrives. The first sentence. At once the passengers rush into it. Here we have two sentences. The first one is the train arrives. Second one, at once the passengers rush into it. As usual, we have two sentences here. Let me encircle the word at once. Okay, then we are going to join these two sentences using as soon as. Let me write as soon as first. As soon as the train arrives. Place a comma. The passengers rush into it. Exercise number 1. Join the following sentences using as soon as. Number 1. I pressed the calling bell. At once she opened the door. Second one. The rain stopped. The children started playing. Number 3. He got the phone call. He immediately left the town. Fourth one. The followers saw the leader. At once they crowded around him. Number 5. He got the message. At once he started. Number 6. I saw my teacher on the way. At once I stopped the car. Number 7. I saw a snake. Soon I ran away. Eighth one. She heard the news. At once she became unconscious. Ninth one, the thief saw the place, he ran away. Number 10, she opens the box, a cat jumps out. Let's discuss the answers. I pressed the calling bell. At once she opened the door. Circle the word at once. Then the answer, as soon as I pressed the calling bell, put a comma, at once can be dropped, the remaining can be written. Then she opened the door, full stop. Second one, the rain stopped, the children started playing. Then we move to the answer, as soon as the rain stopped, comma, the children started playing, full stop at the end. He got the phone call, he immediately left the town. Immediately can be dropped. Then we move to the answer, as soon as he got the phone call, put a comma, he left the town, full stop at the end. The followers saw the leader. At once they crowded around him. At once can be omitted. Then we move to the answer, as soon as the followers saw the leader, comma, they crowded around him, full stop at the end. Then fifth one, he got the message, at once he started. At once can be avoided. Then we move to the answer, as soon as he got the message, put a comma, he started, full stop at the end. Sixth one, I saw my teacher on the way, at once I stopped the car. I circled the word at once. Okay, then we move to the answer, as soon as I saw my teacher on the way, place a comma, at once can be dropped, the remaining can be written. I stopped the car, full stop at the end. Seventh one, I saw a snake, soon I ran away. Circle the word soon. Then we move to the answer, as soon as I saw a snake, comma, I ran away, full stop at the end. Eighth one, she heard the news, at once she became unconscious. Circle the word at once. Then we move to the answer. As soon as she heard the news, comma, she became unconscious, full stop at the end. Ninth one, the thief saw the police, he ran away. Answer, as soon as the thief saw the police, comma, he ran away. He ran away, full stop at the end. Then the last one, she opens the box, a cat jumps up. As soon as she opens the box, comma, a cat jumps up, full stop at the end. Let me call it a day. Bye bye.